it's time to go jogging. I need to go get my outfit ready. See, that's my problem with exercising, is that you have to keep doing it. Alright guys, so this is going to be the backdrop for today's video. Get out your notepad, pen, pencil, whatever it is that you love to write with, because I found some really cute stuff. I think all of it is brand new. I've never hauled it and shown it on YouTube before, so let's jump in. Alright, Dollar Tree toys, in my opinion, are completely underrated, and just a reminder that all of this is $1. And I found these new Mermaid light up masks, and as you can see, I did go ahead and turn this one on, and you basically just push this button right here and it turns this on. There is an off switch, so you would have to like go into the back of the mask, which is right there, and then just flip it off, but it already comes with the battery, so the work is already done. It's super cute, so, and also very summery, so if you're thinking of maybe going for a mermaid themed party, this would be a really cute pickup. And these were the only two styles that I saw. I'm not sure if there's other options, but they are simply adorable. You have the spot for the eyes, and I mean, the detail for $1 is amazing. Next up are these garden rocks. Dollar Tree has been doing garden rocks, honestly, for as long as I remember. I wouldn't be surprised if it's on the 20-year mark, and each year they always do something new. So this is the 2021 set, and honestly, they did not disappoint. I feel like these are the best ones that I've seen in a long time. This blue one is my favorite. I love how colorful they are. I love how beautiful they are, and oh, this yellow butterfly. I love that one too. Believe, peace, hope. Super pretty, especially if you're into gardening. Also would be great for a gardening gift basket to deliver to a neighbor. You know, maybe somebody new just moved in. This would be a really cute addition to a gift basket. Next up are these bath toys. I feel like these are new. The label definitely looks new to me, but they have sold rubber duckies for a few years at Dollar Tree now, but in this one you get like the mini ones, and you can get 3 to a pack, and then they also had these super cute frogs. And I will tell you that the moment I saw these, I did instantly think of teachers, just because I feel like there's always a teacher that has like a specific theme, and I absolutely love that. Like whenever I would take my daughter, you know, to her class or like whatever it was back in elementary school, like all of our teachers each had their own like favorite thing. I remember one of them loved frogs. I think it was our kindergarten teacher, and like this would be something really cute to pick up and do something like a tumbler. You could do a pretty, you know, large tumbler from Dollar Tree and fill it up with goodies, and maybe a little frog like this would fit in there, and that would be cute. Slip in like a, you know, gift card kind of thing, and that would be a really great addition, but also great for bath time. This item also brand new for $1 at Dollar Tree, and it is honestly one of the most unique pieces of decor I've ever seen. Like this has just a full-on concrete look to it. It's made of concrete, and then this little piece does come off, but it's gold, really, really pretty. It also came in a different shape, like a triangle, I think, but I really liked the square one, and you could just use it to put, you know, some like little earrings and display it like that. That would look really pretty as well. You could also do like little hair clips, and it would be a really cute addition to like bathroom decor. Obviously doesn't fit very much, so you could definitely use this from a decor perspective. You could even do, you know, like necklace kind of thing, and that would be charming as well. If you love hosting, you love barbecues, or just like whatever it is, you do all of that, these cups right here, I would definitely put on your list. I've never seen anything so cute. It definitely has that like beer glass look, and it says drink local, which I think is really unique and perfect just to kind of have a set like this at home, because, you know, like whatever you're doing is local to your house. I don't even know if that made any sense, but I actually really love this glass. I think the font is spot on. I mean, look how chic this is for $1. Dollar Tree constantly puts out new games, so you always have to kind of be on the lookout for this because you never know when they sneak in new items. Like these, for example, wooden dominoes. I knew instantly that the moment that I saw this packaging that I've never seen them do dominoes this way. And I was kind of curious because I was like, how did they do this? But the dominoes are pretty thin, so pretty flat. Maybe these would be also great for traveling, but I thought these wooden dominoes was absolutely super cool and unique. These two items I've also never seen at Dollar Tree before, and I thought that they were so amazing. So it's kind of like a science project. So if your child is having to do something like that, you know, with a poster board kind of thing, like these might be something you could look into, and they're $1 each. So this one is a rocket blast, and it comes with 1 packet of baking powder, but this is definitely going to react, and you know, a rocket will kind of shoot up kind of thing. And then this is a volcano, and it also comes with 1 packet of baking soda, and then the volcano will erupt. So this has the instructions on there. Again, I thought these were really awesome. I've only found these 2 options, but how cool is that? Not too many hauls ago, I actually hauled 3 of the 4 books in this collection. So I think I got Snow White, Little Mermaid, and Cinderella, and then the 4th one was the 3 Little Pigs. And I said in that video that I was going to be on the hunt for the 3 Little Pigs, and I did find it. I love the Dollar Tree books. I'm always raving about them. I think they're an absolute steal for $1. I read the Dollar Tree books to my niece every time she's over here, and she loves them. You know, obviously she just doesn't know the difference, and I mean, $1 for a book, it's just honestly, in my opinion, completely unbelievable. And look at this little pop-up detail. The wolf is huffing and puffing, and I'm loving also the red apples on the tree. I also found some more coloring books, another one of my favorite things to get at Dollar Tree. And now that I think about it, I really don't buy coloring books from anywhere else except for one specific like creator from Amazon. But I found these Dr. Seuss ones, and I found like some of the books. Horton Hears a Who, The Cat in the Hat, Green Eggs and Ham, and then ABC. So I thought this was pretty awesome, but I saw these coloring books and I was like, oh my gosh, this just takes me back. My daughter loved the Cat in the Hat movie when she was little. I don't really remember Horton Hears a Who, but I know that she watched that one as well. So super cute. I'm a big fan of Green Eggs and Ham, and that rhymed. Something that I actually rarely buy, maybe I've bought it once before, and maybe not even that, but it's a sketchbook. So, and this one is new as well because they have this front cover. So essentially you can just remove this insert right here, and then you have your own, you know, window to put in like whatever sketch you do. So, you know, if you're into drawing, you can put like your favorite sketch here. This is messing up. And I also like the fact that it's on a spiral like this, so it'll be easy to fold it like that. For all of those of you who love the beauty items at Dollar Tree, this is also brand new. It is a charcoal infused exfoliating bath glove. I believe there's only 1 pair in here, but that's typically how bath gloves are anyways. They just sell like 1 glove. I don't think you need 2. This would be a great item for a gift basket for Mother's Day and also for care packages. The next things are these new combat toys. It's called Final Faction. I've never heard of this, so comment down below and let me know if you think that I got a steal for $1, but I just thought packaging alone, the little combat figures were pretty amazing. And let me tell you, I did not even pick up probably, I think what you're seeing is 50% of the options that I found at my Dollar Tree alone. So there were a lot more like weapons to choose from, and I think there were like alien figures as well. But I found Alpha Team 1, and this is ACRM. I think that's his name. Definitely kind of gives me Transformers vibes. And then this guy is Steel, Sergeant Steel. And then this is Steadfast, Master Sergeant Steadfast. He has some accessories with him as well. And then we have Sergeant Ruck. He looks pretty cool. Definitely gives me like early 90s cartoon vibes. And then we have one female character, which is Specialist Shift. If you're new to my channel, let me put you onto the Dollar Tree hair accessories, another one of the items, or not items, but category within Dollar Tree that I always rave about. They're so fantastic. It's another one of those items where I don't honestly buy anywhere else. Not Walmart, not Target. I always pick up my hair ties, my scrunchies, all the things from Dollar Tree, and they're fantastic. I found these jelly spirals. This one's probably my favorite. I love the metallic of this. Super cute. And then we have this matte collection, which I love these as well. Nope, I spoke too soon. I found another one in the stash, and it was this one. I love this color combination as well, and this yellow one, you know, is actually my favorite. Now you can see with these, they have the exact same packaging with this blue. I don't know if this is Dollar Tree or not. Let me just, yep, has the Dollar Tree logo in the back. So this must be their new active line, which is amazing because now I'm wondering what else I need to kind of look for with this. But I love elastics like this, especially because I have really fine hair and really thin hair. So I feel like these are always great for that, but could also be pretty great for the thicker hair ladies. But yeah, I really don't know how well these would hold up with that additional weight or not, but I know from my own hair being so thin that these are just really nice, and I can twist them enough that I don't think they're too tight or too loose, which I think is just a universal problem across the board, you know, just finding like the perfect elastics. But and then I found these beauties. Oh my gosh, definitely new. I'm loving this ombre effect as well. I feel like it's very trendy. You can see here that I did get a dupe, and whenever I buy 2 items of the same thing from Dollar Tree, it just means that my obsession level is a 10 out of 10. And I always like securing a double to something that I love because I know that I'll consistently like use it. So I got this brown set because I thought it was absolutely amazing. You can see the colors. We've got a rust, a brown, a peachy, and then just like a nudie beige, I guess. And then this is a blue ombre set, which we've got a navy, a light blue, a true blue, and then this one's kind of, the camera's washing it out a little bit, but it's kind of like a robin's egg blue, which is really, really pretty. Also gonna be great for a care package, gift basket, birthday, like whatever. These little elastic ties, the super thick ones, are amazing. And here is the full haul at a glance. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, absolutely epic haul. I loved it. Tomorrow's haul, or not tomorrow, but Sunday's haul is probably going to be my favorite out of the week, and Wednesday as well. So if you missed Wednesday, I'll link it down below. But all of these items are brand new. I've never shown them on my videos before, so super, super darling. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.